So take 4 cube beads and string them through your wire. Your wire should be about 30 to 40 centimeters long, which is about 12 to 16 inches, and string them to the middle. Now take your ring mandrel and put those beads against it, holding them taut in the middle so that they're not moving. Try to keep them from moving as much as you can. Now take the wires, the two ends, and kind of wrap them around the ring mandrel about twice each. Wrap them again. Here I did one side, here I'm doing the other side. And then push it towards the middle wire. Push them together as tightly as you can. Now do it again if you want, but I'm not because my wire is not long enough. Now take it off the ring mandrel, keep the beads as close to each other as you possibly can, and take your wires and wrap them around the ring band to secure it. Okay, here I just put it back around the ring mandrel because the ring band was out of shape, but I just took it off. Now again, as I said, take the wire on each side, wrap it around the ring band a couple of times to secure it, to keep anything from moving and keep everything in place. So after you're done wrapping it around the band, use your pliers. Here I'm using my fingers and my hands and my nails. Don't do that, it hurts. Use your pliers to push the loops together so that they appear more neat. On the other side I wrapped it correctly, but on one side I did not. So just use your pliers to push that down a little bit, make it appear as neat as possible. Now that you're done doing that, you're going to take wire on one side and start wrapping it in between the beads and under the ring band. Kind of just place it how you want. Wrap it in between one bead, go to the next, and then wrap it under the band again. Go to the last in between, wrap it around the band again. Just place it, use your fingers, push it down. Then here I began with the other because they have to cross over in the middle. So wrap it on the other side so that it's kind of asymmetrical but diagonally symmetrical. Now when you get to the side where the wires meet, make sure that they're going in the same direction. So try to place them so that they're lying right next to each other. And they seem to be two wires that came from the same direction, right next to each other. Make it as neat as possible. And then do that until the ends. When you get to the ends, you'll take your wire and wrap it around the ring band again a few times. Try to make it above the loops you made initially so that it may appear neat. Try not to bend the ring band as I did. And there you have it, your wire. Your half eternity ring will be done. It's made with cube Swarovski crystals. Kind of really like it. I'm using Chinese crystals, by the way. If you want a cheaper alternative, Chinese crystals are great and they're also very beautiful. So there you go. Use your chain nose pliers to push the ends down and file any jagged ends that you may have that are still a problem for you. Okay. So here I am tightening the loops with my chain nose pliers. I'm placing the beads so that they all face in one direction. So here's your ring. There it goes. Fits onto my hand. If you like this video, please watch, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Goodbye.